Tasty pesto chicken done in your air fryer at home. Dead quick, dead simple and easy. I'm going to show you how to knock this up in no time at all. So let's jump straight into this. And welcome back to the channel, everyone. One air fryer too many. And like I've just said, we're going to be whipping up this pesto chicken. And what I've got in front of me today is all you're going to need. And I am going to be using the Kasori twin fry air fryer today. Doesn't matter what air fryer you've got, you can do this and join in. So what have I got in front of me? I've got 4 chicken breasts from Aldi. I've got a pack of hot pepperoni. Now if you're not a pepperoni fan, you can substitute this out no problem, or just leave this out altogether. I've got a couple of packs of the soft mozzarella in water. I've got some vine tomatoes, and I've got some red pesto, purely because I like the red pesto better. If you like the green one better, then go for it, fill your boots. Okay, right, I'm going to move you in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to talk you through it. So I'm going to open the tomatoes. I'm going to get a couple of these. Let's go with 3. I'm going to slice these. Across. So we end up with some nice sliced tomato like that. Now, if you are interested in the Ninja knives, I've done a review on these after 18 months, but I've also got the new Ninja knives as well, which are coming up for a review on the channel in a few weeks. So make sure you're hitting that subscribe notification so you don't miss another video. Next we've got the mozzarella. Just going to pop a little hole in the bag and just drain this off a bit. Same with the other one of the mozzarella. Now, if you're interested in mozzarella and making your own from scratch, a few years back I actually did a video on the channel, one of my very first ones, so go and have a laugh, on how to make mozzarella in the Ninja Foodie. So go and have a look. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Right. There we go, there's that. Then the pepperoni, I'm just going to open the packet. And we'll use this straight out of the pack. Right, now we've got the chicken, so I'm just going to move these to one side. And you can see the chicken. So I've got 4 breasts. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into the breast, but not all the way through. Maybe 4 or 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will also speed up how long this takes to cook. Cool. Next, we are going to bring back these little bits, and in between each one of these we want a piece of pepperoni, a piece of tomato, and a piece of mozzarella. Now for the ones that are a bit big, what you can do is stack them up like I've just done there and actually just chop them in half. Like that. And then we're just going to push them in. I think half's actually a decent amount, to be fair. and then we're going to pop them in all the way in. So I'll do that rapid style now with the camera. Right, they are now ready to go into the air fryer basket. So I'm going to go and quickly give my hands a little wash, and then we can get set up at the air fryer. So I've got some pesto, so I've just got red pesto, so it's sun-dried tomato pesto. I'm actually just going to put about half into a little ramekin, so I can then use a little brush instead of dipping it back in and out of the pot in case we don't use it all. Then take the basket out. And I'm going to carefully use a knife, or you can use a spatula or anything you want, to carefully transfer your chicken creations into your air fryer. And I think I'm probably going to serve this with some rice, and I might do a little creamy sauce with any leftover pesto. I think that might go quite nice. So next I'm going to get some of this pesto, and we're going to just be pretty generous with it. If you don't like a lot, don't put a lot on, or if you want to change it for anything else, go for it. And while I've got you, why don't you head over to One Air Fryer Too Many Facebook page as well. Join me on there and the community that we've got growing, and say hello. Why not bang a picture of your pesto chicken on that you've cooked? And there we go, they're all in. So what I'm going to do is shut the air fryer. Right, so now that that's in, I'm going to switch it on. Press Grand Zone because I'm using all of the air fryer. I'm actually going to go over here and I'm going to go to roast. I'm going to drop it down to 180 and I'm going to drop it down to 20 minutes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to match this. So I'm going to go to zone 2, I'm going to press match, and it should all go together. There we go. So we'll see what this is like in 20 minutes. Right, we've got 5 minutes left, we're coming to 15 minutes, and I think, to be honest, we're almost done. Look at this. Oh. Now tell me they don't look nice. Right, I'm going to get these out and we're going to get them served up. Right, let's try and get these out in one piece if we can. Oh yes. Look at them. That one's missing a little bit of its pepperoni. There we have the chicken pesto in the air fryer with mozzarella, pepperoni and fresh tomato. Right, let's give this a little taste, shall we? It smells absolutely beautiful. That is very much like a Mediterranean hunter's chicken. It's beautiful. The chorizo's coming through, the nice mozzarella, the fresh tomato with a bit of acidity. and obviously the beautiful chicken, it is an absolute winner. So let's say I'm going to be serving this with some rice and the rest of the pesto, frying off some onions, adding some veg stock or chicken stock, the rest of the pesto and a little bit of cream just to make a sauce. Ooh, let me know in the comments, what would you serve this with? Right guys, make sure you are hitting that subscribe so you don't miss another video, and I've got some cracking unboxings coming up on the channel as well as some cracking dishes. So I've got coming up the brand new Kasori dual stack air fryer that's not out yet. It gets released start of September, so I've got that on its way to review as well. So join me for one of the upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching.